this video, I will explain to you how to git clone from GitHub. So for this, first of all, you just need to open this link, and at here you just need to select the operating system, Mac, Windows or Linux. Let's say I'm just using the Windows, so I just click at the Windows. And after that, that is you can download the Git from here. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I don't need to install it. So when you will install, then you just need to open your project where you want to git clone. Let's say I'm just opening this folder. So when you will right click at here, then you just need to choose open git bash here. So when you will install the GitHub, then it will just show the open git bash here. So when I will just click at here, it will just open the location related to at here. Okay, so as you can see, that is the location D WAM64 www clients YouTube Git. Okay, so at here you just need to clone your repository. Let's say I am just clone my repository. So here you just need to click the code, and here you just need to copy this URL. Okay, and you just need to go to your git bash, and here you just need to type git clone, place your URL at here. Okay, and just press enter. So after pressing enter, it will just clone your all repository to here in this folder, git folder. So that has been cloned in your git repository. As you can see, that has been cloned successfully. So when you will just open it, it will just open all the details at here. Okay, so that's all done. So if you have any question, just leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye.